What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fish, back another POV. As y'all can see by that thumbnail and title, bro, we are going on a little cruise through the little traffic or whatever. Something slight, nothing too crazy. Long time no see, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I am so far behind on posting on this channel. I cannot lie. I'm like 10 POV videos behind, but honestly, since I have not posted other videos, I might not post them, to be honest with y'all. I might just start from today and post everything up. Post everything else leading up after this, because I feel like all my other POVs, like all my POVs before this one, they were good POVs, but I feel like they could have had a little more work as far as like angles and all that stuff. Like right now, I'm trying to make sure that I have the best angle for y'all while I'm driving, because either it's been times where my camera's been like too low or too high, and I don't like that. Like just now, I just filmed a POV, like I just filmed a POV video before this one, and now I'm refilming it because I did not like it. So now y'all got this one. But yeah, man, long time no see, bro. If y'all are coming from my main channel, y'all know I just got a crib, so I just been taking my time, like chilling in my crib, just really relaxing, like trying to clear my head and everything. And that's just pretty much what I've been doing. I really been focusing a lot on my crib and my main channel as far as content wise, so that's really why I have not been on this channel like that. And then on top of that, I just had to get my car repaired. I'm not sure if y'all seen my shorts video, but I had a piece of plastic fall into my dang on motor, bro. I was topping off oil on my car, and I used a funnel, which I never do. Majority of the time when I put oil in my car, I never use a funnel. The one time I use a funnel, that crap break off inside the dang on motor, and my car was still drivable and everything, but I just didn't like the fact that the piece was still stuck in my car. So I went to a shop and got that situated. But now we're back. Also, I finally went on ahead and just got my my tune license. So I have 4 different maps right now. Right now I'm currently on map 3. I was on map 4, but I think I don't like that map. This for the simple fact that the burbles is kind of OD. Like I don't like the burbles. It's like the burbles I'm running on that map, it's a 1.5 second burble, but my aggressive style is on aggressive. Like it's very aggressive. The style is like it's just too much, and I just don't like that feeling in my car. So I'm on map 3. Map 3, I think I have 1 second burbles, and I'm on an OEM style burble setting. So it's not too bad on my car. But everything else that I had was like on map 4 was just terrible. I don't like it. And I also have rolling anti-lag, which I have to figure out how to activate. This whole time, like on my other videos, I had no anti-lag at all. Now that I got anti-lag, bro, it's a different ball game, bro. I had the person that was fixing on my car. I let him drive my car, bro, and he used the anti-lag. When I tell y'all my car was flying down the road, my car was flying. Like I ain't seen nothing like it. I want to get over, but this stupid truck, bro, we might have to deball our way over. You ain't trying to let nobody get over. Like why are you speeding up, bro? I hate stuff like that. You see somebody trying to get over, you want to speed up. And that's why you use turn signals right there. Because what are you doing? Are you steady speeding up? Alright. Fucking asshole, bro. There we go. Let's get busy. I ain't letting you get over, big dog. My bad. I'm trying to lock in. Like, bro, I don't know if I can hear that in my car. I do not like that at all. I don't like that extra. Like, it's like after it pop, it kind of do like a little like lag, like a fart, like something like that. I don't like that. Let me see if I can hear it. Do y'all hear that? I do not like that whatsoever, bro. I don't know if that's the style of burble that I have on, but I do not like it whatsoever. Like it's horrible. Yeah, no, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I do not like that. I'm so sorry, y'all. I do not like that, bro. We're gonna go to my map 2. My map 2, I don't have burbles, but it is 60% less power, so it's not gonna pull as hard. Yeah, it don't matter. It don't matter what map I'm on. I think maybe my Breville style. I'm gonna fix that when I get back to the crib. But for right now, we're gonna rock this. We're gonna rock map 3. This traffic right here, OD though. I really want to like cut up for y'all, but I don't know how bad this traffic is, so I'm just gonna cruise. But yeah, man, this right here really like a little life update. I do plan to be more consistent, bro. I told myself I want to do POV videos weekly, like at least once a week, and I'm gonna see how y'all rock with it, and if it fits my schedule. Please don't get on the freeway, Popo. I'm begging you, please don't get on the freeway. You're so annoying, dog. You getting on the freeway. He's so annoying for that. He's so annoying, bro. This is, come on, God. Like, come on, bro. Annoying as hell. I'm finna go here. I'm finna go harass him too. Please get off the freeway. If you're a real police officer, you'll get off the freeway. You'll get off the freeway. If you're a real police officer, you'll get off the freeway. If you're a real police officer, you'll get off the freeway. Woo! He a real police officer. Hey, boy. Hey, I fuck with you, man. I fucks with you, but don't. Hold on. Is he trying to raise baby right now? I got a feeling he getting off to get back on. So we're gonna cruise right now, brother. Wait, can he get back on? He can. Yeah, I got a feeling he was baiting me. So we're gonna cruise, bro. I ain't falling for that bait. If he get back on, bro, he meat eat. He's a Hall of Fame meat eater. He get back on. Oh, you a real double OG, boy. You a real double OG, boy. Oh, it's another one up here too? My bad, y'all. I don't know if I can hear my radar. My radar going off crazy, so. Oh, it's over with. They done messed up. Yee-hee. Gonna cut through you. Let's see. Come right here. Brake a little bit. Come through here. Cut through here. There we go. Hold on. Radar going off. Oh, we cool. We're still gonna cruise though, cause hold on, let me see. I ain't gonna lie. Every time I see a Dodge car like that, a Dodge car, them stupid old Fords, and y'all know what I'm talking about, those Ford STIs, bro, that look like police cars, or no, the Ford Explorers, the Expeditions. Every time I see one of those cars, bro, I automatically slow down. I don't know why. It's just a habit. I always slow down. But right now, bro, we feel me, we cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking. I ain't talking about nothing, bro. Let me just drive, bro. Is that a police officer up there? I was gonna stand this like, ain't no point of getting over there, bro. We ain't even gonna do that. I ain't even about to do all that excess cutting up. So I'm gonna keep it a buck. As much as I love cutting up, bro, I love my car, and I also care for others on the road, bro. So I don't be doing nothing too crazy. Like, if I can make the cut, I'll take it. But if it's like a risky cut, I'll think twice about taking it. And if I think twice, I ain't gonna take it. So that's just how I drive. Like, you ain't gonna see me acting like Squeeze Benz and all them, though. They be like a cut like that right there, bro. They'll mess around and come right in between and split that. I ain't doing that. I'ma slow my butt down, get over, and make a cut that way. All right, she like, it's a risky cut, but we're gonna take it. Took that cut, had to. That was a mandatory cut. I had to take that one. Oh my God. Ooh, listen to her. She talking too. Y'all hear her? Woo! And you know what's crazy, bro? I think what was causing my car to last, like the reason what was causing my car to always burn fuel, not fuel, oil so much, is because I was taking a BMW. And BMW, bro, what they was doing was, they were giving me the recommended oil in my car, bro, and that oil was not qualified to be inside my tank. So now that I got 5W40, like I have strictly 5W40 in my car. My car runs fine. Now with another like 700 miles or so, I'm gonna change my oil because, like I told y'all, I did get that that plastic in my oil. I mean, like in my oil cap thing. Now, I did get majority of it extracted out, but I think some of it like cut up and like went inside my oil pan. So I have to drain my oil pan and change my oil every so often, so that I don't have an issue. But we about to get off real soon because traffic gonna start getting bad. So the further I go this way, traffic's gonna be horrible. So we're gonna be prepared for me to get off this this exit right here. We'll probably get off at the next one. So that's what we're gonna do. Ain't no damn speed trap, girl. Just be yapping. Come on, Tesla, bro. Don't piss me off. These Teslas, bro. Like, Teslas are so like, I don't understand Teslas these days. Bro, if somebody in the comments, I don't know if y'all can hear my burbles, but bro, I swear it got like a little lag to it. I don't know what that is. It's like a little fart after it shifts. It was not like that before. Like, that's kind of weird. Oh, there's actually one behind me too. That's crazy. What are the odds? We getting off anyway, bro. I just had to do a little something, nothing too crazy, bro. I ain't want to go too crazy. Feel me? Cause I generally love taking care of my car. Like this car right here, bro. This car has brought me so much peace, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's brought me peace. And when I'm down or I don't feel like, how can I put it? If I'm down, sad, mad, whatever, I get in my car and I drive, bro. So it's very important that I take care of my car. I don't really like beating on my car too much. The only time I really just beat on my car is when I'm making a video like this. That's the only time I'm beating on my car. Literally, that's the only time I'm beating on my car is when I'm making a video. If I'm not videoing, I'm majority of the time I'm probably cruising, or if I speed, I might go like 95, 100 hearing every once in a while. God dang, I'm stuttering. But I don't be pushing my car to the max, bro. Even though my car can handle it, I just don't do it. Like I'd rather not do that to my car. So yeah, that's why I drive it the way I drive. Now, there's other people out there that they be dogging their car. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you got a car like this, do what you please. You paying for it. You feel me? Like, it's your car. But me, I ain't finna rag dog my car, bro. So one, it's very expensive to fix. And not saying I ain't got the money to fix it. I ain't got the money to be spending on something that didn't need to be fixed had I just been taking care of my car. So ain't no point in me doing all that. I'd rather just do right the first time, drive my car carefully, push it here and there, have fun, make sure I do my maintenance, change my oil, make sure my coolant good, make sure the basics are good. You know what I'm saying? Rather than beating on my car 24/7. Oh, yeah. But I'm trying to find a gas station right now because we're gonna pull over and we're gonna conclude this POV. Just so I keep this POV short for y'all, because I've been rambling and we're going on 15 minutes. So oh my god, bro. 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 Bro, this car is like, bro. This car is fun, dog. Like, this car is fun. The only thing that I wish, like, the only differences that I make to my car is that I wish it was rear-wheel drive. That's the only thing I wish, bro. But that's why I'm gonna go and get the comp. We're gonna get an M3 comp. I'm not sure when, because I'm not gonna lie, I just told y'all I just got a crib. So you know what I'm saying? We got priorities, bro. Like, I can afford to get an M3. Well, no, let me stop lying to y'all. I cannot afford to get an M3 right now. I can't, if I'm being real. Like, I got the funds to get it, but just like I got the funds to get it, don't mean I can afford it. Like, I can't afford to be making a $1,000 plus note on top of $300, $400 car insurance, on top of house mortgage and bills. Like, that's just not how stuff works. Oh, the gas station right there. So I'm gonna stay a little bit in my budget and keep my M340 for now. But my next car for sure is M3, bro. I'm telling y'all, like, that's my next car. Why do I feel like I could have just got over? Oh yeah, we getting over anyway. But yeah, man, we just not pulling up to the gas station, man. If y'all like this POV, make sure y'all leave it a like, comment, and subscribe. And before I end this POV, actually, I'm gonna give y'all a shot of my car so y'all can see how my car looks on the outside. It looks very, very, very wonderful. You know what I'm saying? If anybody was wondering, if you want to get your M340, go ahead. You do anything but your mind to. And also, don't mind my car. My car is junky. Just so y'all know I'm not lying. Look at all this, bro. I got crap over here, crap over there. I got these wires. These wires are horrible, bro. Like, I really need to get some type of cord management, because this is terrible, bro. But yeah, man. Anyways, let's get out the car, show y'all my whip. Let me go in this POV. Ah! Woo! Yo. Look at my baby, man. Black on black. So lovely, bro. It is. This car is just so lovely and fun. But with that being said, I love everybody. I'll see y'all next POV. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.